WWT's objectives are to promote and create and conserve wetlands across the world. They provide us with clean water, shelter and food, not just for people but for animals as well. We also work to protect endangered and threatened species that rely on those wetlands. Green and white-fronted geese are endangered. They're declining at an incredibly fast rate. There are now fewer than 18,500 green and white fronts in the world, and they've declined by more than 50% in 17 years, which is incredibly fast for a long-lived bird. Glengoyne's commitment to WWT and this project in particular is fantastic news. It allows us the resources to really crack on with our work in saving green and white-fronted geese.
There's concern from both sides with regards to the decline of the white-fronted goose. And interestingly enough, there's a lot of synergy between the characteristics of the white-fronted goose and Glengoyne in many ways. It's a very traditional animal. We're very much based our business around tradition. It's a very family-orientated species. We're a family-run business. It's interesting that one of the medium-sized flocks of white-fronted geese has been found nearby Glengoyne, and this determination from all sides that we will get to the bottom of why the white-fronted goose is in rapid decline. By finding out why that is, then make every effort to return it back to full health.
So this campaign will run for 4 years, and it will allow us to work across Scotland, which is something we haven't really been able to do up until now, and specifically to the local flock here at Glengoyne, which is just down at the mouth of the Endrick as it goes into Loch Lomond. It's a medium-sized flock. There's just under 200 birds there, and it's these kind of flocks that up until now we haven't really been able to investigate, and with Glengoyne's backing we'll be able to better understand the individuals within that flock and how that flock relates to the population as a whole. Are birds doing really well here? Are they exporting young birds from this population to others? Or is there something going on here that will actually be relevant to other sites as well?